Let's see how to turn off automatic hyperlinks in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. So what are hyperlinks? Hyperlinks are links that are automatically linked onto the internet when you type a link into your document. So an example of this would be, for example, let's type Google, and that would automatically be highlighted. And as you can see here, if we hover, we can control and click to follow the link to Google. However, one thing we can do to stop automatically creating hyperlinks is by hovering on this box right here, see autocorrect options. Let's open that up and just press this option right here to stop automatically creating hyperlinks. Once you press that, you won't have to worry about creating hyperlinks as you type your text anymore. So let's try it again. And as you can see, there is no hyperlink being formed. And that is how you automatically stop creating hyperlinks in Microsoft Word. See you soon!